In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your TikTok link on Instagram. So first, what you want to do is open up your TikTok app, then go to your profile. Once you are here, click on Edit Profile, and below username, you will see a link. So tiktok.com/myusername. You need to tap on that, and as you can see, it said link copied. Go to your Instagram. Go to the bottom right to open up your profile, click on Edit Profile, then you see this links section, click on External Link, paste the link and name it, let's say, My TikTok. Click Done, and now your TikTok is saved. So let's check this out. If I click on here, you can see My TikTok. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.